Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm diving into a common question. Can you eat eggs every day? Let's crack open the facts. Eggs are a powerhouse of nutrition. Just one egg is packed with high-quality protein, healthy fats, vitamins like B12, D, and minerals like selenium. Now, can you eat them daily? Research suggests that for most people, eating 1 to 3 eggs a day is safe and beneficial. They help with muscle building and keep you feeling full longer, great for weight management. Eggs are versatile. For weight loss, they're a low-calorie, nutrient-rich breakfast. For weight gain, adding eggs to meals can up your calorie and protein intake healthily. Eating eggs in the summer? Totally fine. Just store them properly to avoid spoilage. However, if you have egg allergies or specific cholesterol problems, be cautious. Always consult with your healthcare provider if you're unsure. How you cook your eggs matters too. Boiled or poached are healthier than fried. Can you eat raw eggs? Raw eggs aren't safe to eat if they're unpasteurized. That means they could contain harmful bacteria. And even though eggs can be sold as pasteurized, meaning they're heated just enough so bacteria is killed off, you still shouldn't crack open an egg and start chowing down. Cooked eggs can be part of a healthy daily diet for most people. They're nutritious, versatile, and delicious. Now let's talk about some more health benefits of eggs. They're highly nutritious. Whole eggs are nutritionally rich, supplying almost every nutrient you need. They are a complete source of protein and a source of choline. Eggs may support heart health, eye health, and may prevent sarcopenia. Oh, and one more thing. Eggs are great for your skin and hair too, thanks to their high biotin content. They also support strong nails and hair growth. So eggs are not just good for your body, but for your beauty routine as well. Remember to add eggs in moderation for a healthy diet. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe if you want more healthy food-related videos.